Of course, Nicole and Ziza Guevara from Miss International Queen Philippines Sambales.
Yes, I
Yeah.
represent Subic Zambales for this year's Miss International Queen Philippines 2025.
Yeah, how does
Hello
it feel?
everybody.
Yeah, hello.
Hello everybody.
Yan.
Kamusta po kayo?
Marami ang nag-aabang for Nicole and Ciso Guevara at ito na nga at ating preliminary round for our Miss International Queens. What are we going to expect from you?
Well, okay, so I am now fully prepared because I am physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually ready. And I'm ready to conquer the international stage, not just only the Miss International Queen Philippines, but also the Miss International Queen in Thailand itself.
Wow. Oh, you're talking about Miss International Queen in Thailand. I suppose, and we knew about the fact that you already competed from Thailand.
Yes.
Then, after Super Serena, siya po yung ating Super Serena ng Itbulaga. And you competed for Miss International way back
2019.
2019. So you are now already going for a second round. Why a
Yes.
second round? Everybody's asking, why do you still have to have a second round?
Why not? Because we're all a dreamer, and a delayed dream is not a dead dream. I always dream bigger and never stop to do it and become a best version of myself. Because I love representing our country, the Philippines, into an international pageant, and it is my privilege, with humility and kindness, to represent my country as
Why it took you so long for a comeback on the trans pageantry world? Everybody is asking about that. What motivates you to come back? And bakit ganun katagal?
It is simply because I want a better life for myself and for my mom. And I always dreamed to be a beauty queen. And I started joining beauty fashion at the age of 14, and it became my bread and butter. Right? We're in a survival mode, and we're all trying to make a living. So I guess, of course, aside from the prize here in Miss International Queen Philippines, of course I'm gonna use my platform, right? To influence and inspire other people, to empower them. That
Why
is the reason why I joined again.
Diba, yung mga malalakas na kagaya mo ng mga names and ng mga
Yes.
personalities out there, how are you preparing for that emotionally and mentally? Kasi medyo bakbakan ang labanan
Okay,
niyo.
okay.
You are, how many now? 40 plus, I think? But,
41.
yeah, 41 candidate and I think medyo mahigpit ang labanan.
Yes, okay. So, okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of beautiful girls this batch this year, okay, for Miss International Queen 2025. And I can say that I don't compete with them. I just compete on myself because after all, I have to fight for my dream. And that is why I am here.
Yeah, marami ang spectators for Nicole and Cisa Guevara. You have a lot of followers, mga postings mo, mga social media mo, putok yan pag ikaw ang gumaya. Siyempre, marami tayong spectators out there. Marami ang umaasa for Nicole and Cisa Guevara. So, what are your promises to your followers na nag-iintay for you? Malapit na. This is the preliminary round and we are going now ilang days na lang at makokoronahan ang taong makokoronahan.
Yes. If my followers are expecting for more, I am ready.
Yeah. Why you should be the next Miss International Queen of the Philippines?
Because I have my God in here. He is the reason why I am here, Miss International Queen. I will walk and win with grace and humility. I am ready.